In today's era of green manufacturing, heat transfer printing technology has become the preferred choice for many businesses due to its environmental benefits. As a key piece of equipment, the roller printing machine further enhances the eco-friendliness of heat transfer printing. First, heat transfer printing inherently holds environmental advantages. Compared to traditional dyeing, it requires little to no water, significantly reducing water waste. Additionally, it ensures precise use of dyes, effectively minimizing unnecessary waste. The introduction of roller printing machines has taken these eco-friendly effects to the next level, primarily in the following aspects. Closed heating systems greatly reduce heat loss, enhancing thermal energy efficiency and lowering overall energy consumption. Their low noise and low defect rates not only create a more user-friendly production environment, but also mean less resource waste. Roller printing machines are compatible with eco-friendly inks and recyclable materials, further minimizing their environmental impact during production. According to data analysis, some factories have reduced carbon emissions by over 95% annually after implementing roller printing machines. At the same time, energy consumption has decreased by 50%, and material waste has been cut by 20%. These concrete figures highlight the significant contributions of roller printing machines to the field of green manufacturing. What steps can you take to further optimize eco-friendliness in your production processes? We invite you to share your experiences or explore new ideas for environmental innovation. Let's work together to drive the development of green manufacturing.